Welcome back to part 9 of the Chase of Waterfalls, beautiful things in Oregon. As we continue our story here in this fabulous TA parking lot, I'm gonna go get some breakfast, I'm gonna go do a little bit of shopping for some supplies, and then I already have 2 waterfalls picked out for us for today. So let's get to it. Adventure if you can. Well, breakfast was pretty good, I think. I don't know, for a diner, not too bad. I was in there checking out the smoke everywhere, and it might change the plans for next week. Unfortunately, there's a lot of fire and smoke still just south by Bend. So let's go find those waterfalls for today and do some shopping. Let's get to it. All right, shopping, a collection of things is done. Let's go get some gas and go find some waterfalls. All right, lunch is ready. Chores are complete. Let's eat and go find that waterfall. Parking was fun as usual with Big Clifford. Let's go find that trailhead. Pretty great, right? And this waterfall was maybe 5 minutes from Clifford. Maybe. All right, let's keep going. I think I've said before, hiking is a lot of uphill. Check out this cool tree. I'm not sure if any of you guys have ever hiked this mountain in Virginia. It's in Shenandoah. It's called Old Rag. It's really steep. And the steepness that I'm climbing right now very much reminds me of Old Rag, which is a fantastic hike. So if you've never hiked it, highly recommend it, especially in the fall. All right, let's keep heading towards the second waterfall. So, as I usually do, meet people all over the place. What's your name?
My name is Sylvia.
Sylvia. I just found out is originally from Belgium?
Yeah.
Right on. She's up here in Oregon visiting from California. We were just talking about how smoky it is. I guess it's wildfire season. So I ask everybody this one question. What do you prefer, country or city living?
Variety.
Variety, okay.
No, I think there's things in the city that I like, but when you come out here, there's nothing to beat that view. Yet, if you were to live all the time here, you would probably not realize how gorgeous it is.
Agreed. You get used to it, which I think is probably the same with the city, right? You get used to whatever you're used to.
Yeah.
Well, great. Thanks very much. And nice meeting you.
It's meeting you too.
I think this way goes to the view of the waterfall we were just at. Let's go see. Well, it looks like it might be a steep view too. You can kind of see it. This is a lot busier trail than yesterday's trail. I think I've probably already seen maybe 50 people maybe. So if you're trying to avoid people, don't come to this one. What's his name?
Ozzy.
Ozzy. Hi, Ozzy.
All our pictures.
Oh. Hi.
Ozzy, say hi.
Thank you very much. So I think that was totally worth walking that extra mile. What do y'all think? Pretty good, right? Alright, so this is upper L, whatever that was, from the beginning of this part. Oh, let's hike down. I met this dog, but it was like, I'm not having it. Wait, oh, are you coming back? Hi, what's your name?
This is Wally.
Hi, Wally.
He's your friendly neighborhood football.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Look at that, bonus waterfall. Wow, look how big this tree is. Man. That's the first falls again from over here. That's pretty cool. I would definitely recommend this trail. This is a really, really nice trail. It's not too bad. Almost 3 miles and, you know, hit both falls. I met lots of dogs. All right, let's keep going. Oh, see that person up there? That's where we walked down to. No wonder we couldn't see it. It was over that. Clifford. That was a pretty great hike, I think. I think it's a hike. I'm a little tired. And let's go see if we can find parking at the other one. I don't know if we are. That one's pretty popular, but let's at least go look. All right, let's get going. It's a lot of smoke over there, isn't it? Alright, let's still go try to check out the M Falls, but I don't think we're going to camp over there today. Maybe it's time to head over back to the ocean. Alright, let's go get back to Clifford and get this other falls in. It's a cool looking rock. I think it's called Rooster Rock. I think that's what it said when I drove by 84, which is what that road is. That's what that cool house was we just saw. You know, when I was at the other one, I thought, man, that's tall. Wow, this one's really, really tall. I forgot how tall this one is. I've only been here one time. It's pretty cool. All right, there you go. Let's walk back to Clifford and go find somewhere to camp. Wherever it is not this. Clifford. I think with all that wonderful hiking today and the fact that I stink, a shower is probably a good idea before I head back to the beach. So let's head back to that LA Fitness. Let's get cleaned up. But first, we're gonna do some push-ups because it's every day. Let's go. let's go find dinner. Let's go get some delicious pho. That was really good, so highly recommend wherever that place is in Oregon, which is similar to close to Portland. All right, let's see if we can get to this to the beach before sunset. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but let's give it a try. Side of the road, just water coming out. Saw a place like this, how was that, last year in Montana, and that was cool. Didn't exactly make it for sunset, did we? Maybe tomorrow. All right, let's go try to find somewhere to camp around here because it's not the parking lot I'm in. Let's go. What an amazing day. Wow. There was a lot of adventure today. Like for, you know, just getting started this morning, like, saw what, 3 waterfalls and went on a good hike and like, it was great. It was a good time. All right, I just made camp. Sorry we missed the sunset. You know, can't fit it all in all the time, right? Just made camp, and it's, you know, just basically beside the road. It's not very exciting, and gonna hit the sack because I'm pretty tired, and I will catch you guys up in the morning, and we're gonna go back to Cannon Beach. Until then, good night. Good morning. Let's go find out what's around where Clifford and I are parked. This is what editing part 5 of this adventure looked like. All right, now that part 5 has been processed and is ready for upload, Clifford's all packed back up. Let's go head down to Cannon Beach and walk along those beautiful cold sands. Let's go. I really do see some great stuff traveling around. Look at this really cool bus. Most Oregon beaches. This is a pretty great beach, I think. Not as windy as when I camped at last week for sure. No breezy. Very, very pretty. All right, let's walk a little more. Northwest last year, one of my friends was like, why don't you pack a sandwich when the camper is still up so that when you're hungry it's ready. So today I packed a sandwich and now I'm hungry, so we're gonna eat a sandwich and watch these beautiful waves together. That was relaxing and delicious. All right, let's get off this rock before the tide comes in and makes us a permanent resident for the day. Just waiting for this water think we made it. All right, let's walk back. That was a pretty good beach. Let's get back to Clifford and see where we're going next. Clifford. I found a closer parking spot and wanted to come down and check this out. These are the rocks from the Goonies, if you guys didn't know. E something State Park is right over there to the left. I was going to stop there, but it's kind of late in the day, so I think I'm going to skip that. But I did want to show you these rocks. So let's head back to Clifford now. Hi, Clifford. Alright, well, I'll just interview you then. Hi.
How's it going?
Good. I ask everybody that I meet that I can the same question. What do you like better, city or country living?
I've only ever lived in the city, but if I could live in the country, I think I'd like it more.
Okay, right on. Why?
Got a bunch of neighbors, ride dirt bikes.
Can.
Basically just kind of do what you want.
You can do all those things.
Right?
Alright, awesome. Thanks for talking.
Of course, thank you.
This is a very, very long beach. It reminds me of Siesta Key, except for the sand isn't as white. I've never seen that before. They have like grills. I'm guessing charcoal out of the balcony. No kidding. Hi, Clifford. Let's go get some dinner at the best wings in town, but I'm not getting wings. Isn't that funny, Nate? Alright, let's go. Delicious Thai food. That was really good. I had garlic pepper chicken. Very, very good, seriously. Recommend this place a lot. Tie us up is what it's called. Still pretty funny. Let's go find somewhere to watch the sunset. I think this will do nicely. Let's set up camp and watch the sunset. Now the camp is set up, what do you say we record that fantastic, amazing, wonderful sunset that's happening right behind us right now. Wasn't that a great sunset? I thought so. And with that, we're going to have the sunset of this episode. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.